This is a sponsored video and I received this for free. How's it going? This alcohol infusion kit is actually so cool. Oh. That is awesome. Lavender and juniper berries. Very good mix. To me, this kit is such a good value for how much you get here. This is crazy. I mean, it's gonna last a pretty long time. You'll get quite a few infusions out of this kit for pretty cheap. And it's not just like weird, cheap garbage. I mean, these are high quality dried ingredients. And you get a ton of stuff here. You get lavender, cinnamon, orange, cloves, jasmine, mint, roselyn, cardamom, osmanthus, stevia, juniper, red apple, rosemary, sage, ginger, and chrysanthemum. That's a lot. The manual actually has some really nice starter recipes in here for you, starting from basic to advanced. In the box, you get 2 beautiful bottles that are resealable with a little faux sort of rubber cork, airtight. You get a little pincher for said spices, some cute little tags that you can tie around the neck of the bottle. Get a nice little cup, which is pretty high quality, perfect size for one single cocktail. You get 4 stainless steel ice cubes, a little set of rubber tongs for those. And it smells so good. The way this works is very simple. Just add your alcohol of choice and then you'll add your spices in whatever ratio you want. Seal it, shake it, and then put it away for, I would say, a few days. Just depends on what you're doing. The longer you do it, the more potent the mix will be. And then you get a little funnel and a screen. This is where the second bottle comes into play. And then you will literally just pour the contents of the bottle you've mixed into the new empty bottle. All of your ingredients will be nicely strained out and you can just throw them away. Pour yourself a drink. It is so cool. I am gonna be having fun with this for like months to come. A few days of infusion for a few days worth of drinks, or one night, I don't know. We'll see. I like it. Definitely worth checking out.